Okay, so welcome to another episode of the UE5 tutorial series. In this one, we will do try animations. So we do a folder. I'm sure we can just do it in the models folder. So go into the models folder, new folder, call this player. If you want to, you can color code it. Open that folder up. Inside that folder, have one for the actual player model, and then one for the animations, probably. So we put it as P model, P animations. Or you can do it as all one, whatever you want to do, it don't really matter. Just do it as all one. What I'm going to do, let me find the folder. I will put the folder in the description for you to use. Let me find this folder. Here we go. Drag this folder in. Import animations. Like that. Let me import idle. Now that idle is imported, which is my idle is the one that has my model on. I can just import all my other ones that shouldn't fail. You should all import. Oh, because I did it wrong. Let me re-import seed animations real quick. Put them idle skeleton. Reset the default. Import all. There you go. Now we've got all animations. In here, first thing we want to do is if we go back to our blueprints, go back to your player, right click, go to animation, create a blend space. It's called, and pick the skeleton you want to use. Close one, anim BS for anim blend space. Open this up. Now you get your asset details, which is what sets it with this. You got your asset browser, which has all your animations in, and this shows your animation. So the only way we're going to work is for the vertical axis. Change the name to speed. Then whenever your your max speed is of your player, so what you should do, just go to this, to your player. It loads. Character movement. Max walk speeds, which for me, it is 600. Actually, it's not 600. It's 1,200 because that's what my sprint is set to. So I'm going to set this to 1,100, so that it's a lot smoother and leaves the minimum at 0. Get your idle animation. Drag that in. Set it to 0 on none and 0 speed. Grab your walk animation, set that to 0 and then 500 in this project, being that the walk speed 600, so 100 level smoothness, and then you get your run animation, which is this one, and put this one to 0 and 1,100. And then if we save this, we can then close this anim blend space, go back here, right click, animation blueprint, pick the skeleton, and just close one anim BP. Open that up, name it here, and go this. And what we're going to do is right click, make a state machine, call this anim state, and just hook that up. But before we actually do anything with these, go to your event graph. On your try get port over, cast to your player. This. You want to get 2 nodes. First, you want to get velocity. So get velocity, and then vector length. Right click the green value, promote variable, call this speed, and make sure you hook up the white pin like this. That's what you need. Is off this one again. Is falling. That. Promote that to variable. Call this one jumping. Connect them pins up there. Now if we go back to the state machine, what you see is entry from the start. So you're going to drag off it, create a state, call this an idle walk run. Then drag off from that, add a new state, call this jumped, and then drag from jumped to idle walk run. Now, first thing we're going to set up is the idle walk run, so double click that, get your animation blend space, drag it in, get your speed variable, plug it into there, and you can power that. You can see it now switches to the idle animation. So that is now set up for these. Now, go back to here, on jumped, get your jumping animation, and then just plug that into there. And if you go back again to your anim state, this will never get called because these parameters here are set up. So if we click on this one first, drag off this red pin and do equals equals, and then get your jumping boolean, hook it up, tick the box, and then just copy that, and then compile, click on this other one, paste it in, and make sure it is set to false this time. And that right there, that is pretty much, that's basic animation done with idle, walk, run and jump. But this isn't going to work, so if we press play, you see we're still on our basic first person controller. So what we're going to do, just so I can show for example it's actually working, is I'm going to grab the camera arm, drag it behind the player like this. And the way you add the player in, if you go to your mesh, skeletal mesh asset, set that to the player, move it, shrink it down to the right size of like say like 0.5 probably, yep. Rotate it so it's facing the right way. Then on here it says add in class, pick your animation blueprint, and you see it's gone to its idle animation. So now if I compile this and press play, you'll see, if I walk, so it's walking, if I run, it does the run, and if I jump, it like sort of jumps. It's a bit of an iffy jump, but it works. This isn't actually touching the floor, so I should probably move it down a little bit. So probably there. And that should work a little better. There you go. See, idle, walk, little Naruto run. And jump is not that good, but you see the concept. It's very basic with the animations. Like it does work with what we was after. So that is the video done for basic player animations. In the next one, we will cover probably materials and maybe some more widgets as well. So until then, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.